Hey guys, so the fire alarm was going off in this building right here, and we're gonna be watching the whole video of it. So let's get going here. Guys, I think the fire alarm's going off. Can you guys hear that? Oh my gosh, guys, I think that's actually the fire alarm. Now, why would the fire alarm be going off? Oh my gosh, guys, it is the fire alarm. Because I'm hearing that word, fire, fire. Alright guys, that was the fire alarm video that I had made today while I was on my way home from school. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section.